Steel Slab Estimating, a practical cost guide for estimators. Hey estimators! Ever been caught off guard by steel costs in slab projects? Let's nail down a quick, reliable estimation method. Steel quantity, kg, equal volume of concrete. M3. X, percentage of steel, X density of steel. Accurate volume directly impacts your material budget. First, volume, its length, X width, X thickness. A 10 kg set at 5 m 2.5 m slab is 7.5 m. Steel percentage, 0.8% to 2% depends on design. Density is 750 kg M3. Using 1% steel, 7.583.01, 7850 M3, 588.75 IKEA. Knowing this helps negotiate better rates with suppliers. Account for varying slab sections separately. Precise bar length calculations minimize waste and cut cost. Ready to refine your estimating skills and save money? Subscribe for more practical tips and share your own methods in the comments below. Let's build smarter together.